Master Planning Dashboard Summary. There are 3 critical, 1 warning, and 2 on-track KPIs. The most critical metric, Mancini rock coverage, is at only 36%, with 12,500 pounds on hand against 35,000 pounds demand. All cannery lines face shutdown within 48 hours. MRP exceptions total $73,000 in critical risk, with 2 exceptions requiring same-day response. Advance a purchase order for Mancini raw material and increase a planned production order by 2,000 cases for a new customer sales order. Only 1 of 5 planned items has adequate supply coverage. Cam bodies are at 118%. Everything else is below the safety threshold. 2 production lines are running above 90% capacity. Cup line 1 at 95.8% and cannery 1 at 93.8%. Both are in the stress zone. The best news? What if analysis shows 3 recommended scenarios, with the top one generating $18,800 net benefit from a Saturday shift? 4 actions required. 2 are immediate. Advance the Mancini PO and increase planned production today. Rebalance work orders from line 3 to line 2. This week, execute the Saturday shift for 2,400 additional cases. Master Planning AI agents, moving planners from exception management to autonomous decision support.